Welcome. If you're watching this, chances are you've realized that most people are stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. And here's the truth. It's not your fault. The system doesn't teach us how money really works. Today we're going to talk about why most people stay broke, and more importantly, how you can escape that trap and start taking control of your financial future. Stick around until the end, because this could be the start of a complete financial transformation for you. Why most people stay broke. Let's be honest. The problem isn't what you earn, it's what you do with what you earn. Most people who remain stuck in financial struggle make the same mistakes over and over. And I'm not talking about earning too little. I'm talking about how they think about money. Mistake number 1, not having a wealth mindset. The biggest difference between rich people and poor people is their mindset. Rich people think in terms of assets and cash flow. Poor people think in terms of paychecks and expenses. For example, when the rich earn money, they invest it into something that will generate even more money. Poor people, on the other hand, spend it on things that provide temporary pleasure, but don't contribute to their long-term goals. Mindset is everything. If you keep thinking like a poor person, you'll stay stuck in that cycle. But here's the good news. You can change your mindset. Mistake number 2, living paycheck to paycheck. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, working hard just to pay bills. They don't save, they don't invest, they just spend. Let me ask you, how many times have you felt like you're living on the edge? That no matter how hard you work, it never seems like there's enough money? The reason for that is simple. If you don't save or invest, money goes faster than you can earn it. The key here is learning to save first, then invest that money so it starts working for you. If you haven't started yet, don't worry. It's never too late. So how do you escape this cycle? The answer lies in changing your approach. Here are the foundational steps. Step number 1, change your mindset. The first thing is to understand how the wealthy think. Wealthy people think in terms of assets. Instead of spending money on things that depreciate, they invest it in things that grow in value. For example, rather than spending all your money on temporary pleasures, why not invest it in financial education, real estate, stocks, or businesses? Remember, the secret is in building assets that generate passive income. Step number 2, learn to manage your money. It doesn't matter how much you earn. What really matters is how you manage what you have. It's crucial to have a budget and know exactly where every dollar goes. Most people don't know where their money is going, and that's a huge problem. The key is taking control of your money. If you don't know where it's going, it's almost impossible to start saving and investing. Step number 3, build multiple streams of income. The wealthy don't rely on just one income source. They have businesses, investments, and multiple income streams. If you only have a job, you're at risk. What happens if you lose that job? Today, you can start making extra income from home with very little capital. Start today and turn your skills into your next income stream. Why wait? Your financial journey begins now. The importance of taking action. Now that you know the basics, the next step is simple. Take action. Most people will watch this video, agree with the ideas, but then go back to their old habits. The difference between the rich and the poor is this. The rich take action on their knowledge, while the poor just talk about it. Start small. Even if you're not making a lot of money right now, start with small investments. Open a savings account. Buy a stock. Start a side hustle. Once you start, you'll begin to see how your mindset changes, and soon enough, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. The truth is simple. Money is not just about numbers. It's about freedom. Schools won't teach you this. Most jobs won't either. But you don't have to wait any longer. If this video opened your eyes even a little, do me a favor. And more importantly, do yourself a favor, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. This is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into the strategies that actually change lives. Welcome to Poor is the New Rich. Let's flip the script on money.